YouTube? Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Chitchat aka the hot swapong gent. Yeah, it's been 2 months since I've been away. I wanted you guys to miss me. Lena I also wanted to miss you guys because if you are new here, welcome. We are all about love this side, positive vibes, and just being the best versions of ourselves. If you are a returning subscriber, I salute you. Welcome back, bro. Welcome back, sis. Remember to like this video and invite others to come to this channel. It's a Monday, guys, and I'm home and I'm planning on doing my laundry and then cleaning, and I'll see where the rest of the day takes us from there. So let's get this vlog going. Yeah. I'm preparing my clothes. I've just finished packing my clothes and putting them in their places because I don't like to mix my clothes when I'm washing them. Let me show you. Hey, look at my bed, guys. It looks like a mess, but I promise you it's not. It doesn't always look like this. It's just that now I want to clean, so I have separated my clothes. So let's go. And while my clothes are soaking, I'll be having breakfast, tea, mapaki a fat cake, and Russian smoky soup. So I'll need a lot of energy for today because it's gonna be a wonderful day. And guys, I just recorded my video like at the in portrait mode, forgetting that I'm vlogging for YouTube. Hey, the things that we do, so you need to be very consistent to avoid all that where you'll be forgetting that I'm on YouTube. But anyway, you get what I'm saying. I need to remove that. That is for catching insects. Nice. Now it looks better. But anyway, guys, enough fooling around. Let me go and do my laundry. I am procrastinating right now. I'm procrastinating. What's up, y'all? Today is a Tuesday. The time right now is around 1:30, and I just finished eating maraca. Hey, they were delicious. I'll show you the ones that are left. It's maraca. Some call them mankomane. Anyway, I hope y'all are doing well. I'm also doing well. Wow, today this camera is very clear. I want to do the dishes, then maybe do a bit of cleaning again, and then I'll see where the rest of the day takes me. But before I wash the dishes, let me try to drink warm water with a bit of salt so that I can try to calm the toothache down. It's a bit better today. I took my medication. I'm not going to the hospital because it's nothing serious. And the reason I said this, it always happens. I ate sweets. I've not been eating sweets for long, and then I ate sweets. I don't know why I decided to eat sweets, but anyway, yesterday it rained. I think today we're also going to experience the same thing.
Sabi girl, no, they do like dog. Animals, they in human form. Body man, nobody like walk. But you must hustle if you want job. Ain't no finish, they won't fight us. If them no run, them no fit catch us. I know they pump say I too righteous. No come they pump say they do like us. You don't get the time for the hate and the bad energy. Got my mind on my money. Make you dance like broccoli. A steady green like broccoli. Steady on my grind, no one hear what they want, telling me goody not my fantasy. They wanna check if my top be low rush, but they rush, and they rush well, it be much. No gotta make my top be rush.
Okay guys, so I'm done washing the dishes. Right now I'm planning on wiping the walls around the other room because they've been black. Ever since it started raining, they've been becoming black. I don't know why. Let me show you. You see, it's so weird, like the color contrast. You see how it looks this side and how it looks this side. I don't know why it's coming like that. And before I forget guys, I forgot to tell you, yesterday it rained heavily. While I was hanging my clothes on the washing line, so I had to remove them from the washing line, and I went and hang them again today. Your English is dribbling me.
You don't know, babe, when you hold me, you kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing, and it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you are. Now the coffee that I need in the morning, you're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me, give it all. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it, I know you're a star. Where you go I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, oh you're the best part.
It rained, y'all. It rained. What's up, y'all? It's still the same day, still a Tuesday, and just like you've seen, it just rained, and I just got on my laundry. Here are the clothes, and right now I want to fold them. It's been a very long day. I want to rest. I think we'll meet again tomorrow because I am tired from all that cleaning. See you guys tomorrow, and tomorrow I just want to chill. I don't want anything that has to do with work, so we'll meet again tomorrow. What's up, y'all? It's another day, and I just finished taking a bath. Today is Wednesday, and the time is 2:30, and I'm planning on going out. I want to go to an internet cafe to check some emails and do some few stuff on the computer because I currently don't have internet where I am. After that, I'm planning on going to get a corndog. I want to test it out. I haven't eaten a corndog before, so I want to know how it tastes. I'm wearing my sweater because it's cold. Like I said, it was raining. Okay, how do I show you this? I couldn't do the proper OTD because I'm in an enclosed space. I'm in the bathroom, but I'll show you once I'm outside. And I think I might pass by the clinic because today this tooth is showing me flames. But it's not bad, but since where I'm going is close to a clinic, I might pass by them, but I'll update you. But tell her the plan of the day today is just to do those two things I said: internet cafe and a corndog. I have my bag with me. I have put my umbrella inside and some of my pen and my book that I might need when I'm at the internet cafe. So I'm taking you with me. As usual, let's go. It's 3:30 and I'm done at the clinic. I managed to get the medication. Now I'm going to the internet cafe.
Build it up, just to let it wash away. Hey, tell me, did I lace you up, it's just to let you run away. So tell me who's getting on my love?
Okay guys, so I got my meat at Butchery. Let's go for the corn dog now. What's up y'all? I'm home and I managed to get the Kota. Here it is. I'm excited. Let's open it together. Wow. So this is how it looks. There are fried chips and there are 2 Russians. Looks delicious. Let's open it up. But let's just talk about today guys. The quality of the service I received everywhere I went. At the clinic and at the internet cafe, the people were very kind. There's nothing that can make your day like when you receive quality service. So I appreciate everybody, even those who sold me the Corndog. Have a bite. I don't know how I'm going to taste this one. I really don't know. How do you all do it? Very tasty. It's very tasty. Yeah, so I was talking about the quality of the service that I received today. It just made my day. I even forgot about my problems. That's the thing with receiving quality service. It's very spicy and delicious and juicy as well. I am not going to lie to you. The corn dog is very spicy. So I made auras. Cheers. How much would I give it out of 10? I'll give it an 8. 8 over 10. Because it's spicy. I'm not into spicy food like that. So, plus there's a bit of chill. But it's good, it's good. For the first time tasting it, I'm impressed. So that's it for today guys. Let me finish my corn dog because I'm enjoying it now. I'll meet again tomorrow. What's up guys, it's a Thursday and it's a new day. I just finished taking my bath. I'm from running and I'm feeling so energized. Oh. One thing about running guys, you'll think it makes you feel tired but it will energize you. Right now I want to eat breakfast, then take my meds. And ever since I went to the clinic yesterday, the toothache is better today. I even managed to eat last night. Thank God I went to the hospital, to the clinic, because I think I was procrastinating to go. If you're not well, make sure that you get assistance. It's very good. I was going to show you my meds, but then YouTube has this restriction of not showing medical stuff if you are not a medical practitioner. So if you have a toothache guys, make sure that you go see the doctor or the dentist to get better like me. After taking my meds, I'll try to read a book, then edit this vlog. If you have made it this far to this vlog, I salute you and appreciate you. One love. This is the book that I'm currently reading by Tempule Molefe. It's called The Lighting is Fading Me. It's called The Perfect Counselor, Resurrecting Student Dreams. This book is just speaking about the thing that you have the power to change your situation. I love it so much. Just like you can see, escorting from a distance, offloading and keep moving from addiction, and all these other cool chapters. It has a lot of pages. I'm currently on, I think, the second chapter, but I think tomorrow I have to go and extend it because I'm not done with it, and I'm currently enjoying it. This is a very great read, and Botswana authors are so good. Ever since I started reading books from Botswana authors collection, I've been impressed, and I can relate to a lot of their books. So I hope you start reading too, guys. So right now, let me read the second chapter. It's called Offload to Keep Moving.
Ounce bottle goes on everything. You want to put it on meat, potato, steak. I mean, it's a well-seasoned blend that I've never had a bad review on.
Happy Friday. And see happy go plant department because it's been raining a lot. We are growing and we are glowing. Yeah.
I dream about you, and you were right in front of me. You know, I just staring at my side, doing the smile I can't deny. I can't believe I'm crying, cause I see this is true, you're the one for me. My heart is beating fast to the rhythm of your soul, and the kwazi no goosebumps.
Guys, I'm going to the library and I'm a bit late, but we are getting there. I managed to get the books, guys. I'm trying to look for a milkshake. I don't know where I can find it, but I'll find something. Guys, there's no milkshake, so I'm heading to Chicken Licken to find some wings and fried chips.
Arvana we garbugai vana libutale tigai kari libutale tigai agirayo butinzoni ya isenyana kiraya boyalwa yo butsiditsana vana batotlhoma ka sere obo dikolo onzo tlhomile sere oboema ao tsamaisa dinoka tsamaisa.
I am done eating at Chicken Licken. The food I enjoyed them thoroughly. So right now I'm going back home. What's up, guys? I have arrived from the mall. The time right now is 4:30. I went there at 3:30. So I was there for like an hour. And let me show you a few items that I got. I went to Choppy Superstore to get a few items, but it's nothing much. Let me relax. It's nothing much, just things that I'll be eating while editing the vlog. And I'm currently watching a series called Mobland. It's very good. Shout out to Tom Hardy and Pierce Brosnan. Y'all did that. That's a good series. So I'll be munching on a few popcorns while watching it. I'm currently watching season 1, and I also bought the Blackbone biscuits. I'll only eat this once has healed completely. And I also bought a few veggies. It's a vegetable combo because I want to do a smoky soup tonight. I don't think I'll be cooking because I'm gonna be busy editing this vlog. So this is the smoky that I've got, and I've got a few oranges because it's about flu season is upon us, so I don't want to be a victim. Anyway, guys, I think we'll meet again tomorrow when I'll be closing the vlog. My Friday and yours here ends here, and it was great. Oh my god, it was fire. Happy Saturday, guys. It's another day, and sadly we have come to the end of the vlog. It was a great vlog. I enjoyed myself. I hope you also did as well. If you watch this video to the end, you are a real one. You know what to do. Like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you can see my future videos. You can also, don't forget to comment with your favorite part of the vlog, or just comment with the word W vlog with 2 fire emojis. I appreciate the support. Thank you very much. Also, go and follow me on my other social media platforms on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, everywhere. I'm there, like the air. Buzz. Thank you very much, guys, for the support. Also, if you know anyone who's willing to learn Setswana, tell them to follow my Setswana channel. It's called Learn Setswana with Mohomutsi on all social media platforms, also here on YouTube. Until we meet again next time, guys, I wish you love and success.